Okay, so I'm pretty much of a social person and I like a challenge. So that's why I'm planning on putting myself in situations where I know nobody and then we'll see how it turns out. So that's why I'm going on an exchange to Spain for 6 months. So if any of you have seen any of my footage or videos from before, it's mostly car related. So my car will be in the garage it is located in right now. It won't be in use. The batteries will be on charge most of the time, and I will take it into use the next summer when I get back. Getting into a more serious topic, one of the reasons I'm going on an exchange is also because I'm trying to find myself again. I've been stuck in a bad situation for a long time. Sometimes you feel like the world is against you, and you just have to deal with that and find yourself and build yourself up again. To rely on yourself and no one else. And you know that life gets better, but it's up to you to make it better. No one else is gonna pick you up except for yourself. So you gotta do the things you love, and traveling is one of them. I know that I'm gonna get through this, and I'm gonna get better and stronger. And don't let anyone think that you're not enough. In the beginning, I talked about a challenge, and I'm actually gonna challenge myself in 2 different ways. The first challenge was to put myself in a situation where I don't know anyone and have to try to make friends and new connections. The second challenge was to focus on myself, find out who I am, who I want to be, and just live my life in Spain. I'm 23 years old right now. There's still a lot ahead for me. So why not make